Hello everyone, welcome to the Needle Magic. Needle Magic में आपका स्वागत है. In today's tutorial we are going to make this beautiful sweater for a cat. I do not have any cats. I'm making it for a friend's cat. So thought of making a tutorial. I hope you all will enjoy it. So let's get started. So let's begin by making a slip knot. सबसे पहले हम slip knot बनाएंगे. And now I'm gonna chain 40. So chain 40 करेंगे पहले. 1 2 3. So after making 40 chains बनाने के बाद now we'll go into the first chain that we made and we'll make a slip stitch so that it forms a ring. तो हम ये जो first chain हमने बनाई थी हम उसमें जाएंगे और हम slip stitch करेंगे. तो ये एक ring की जैसे फॉर्म हो जाएगा. Like this. Now chain one कीजिए और उसी same space में जहां पे आपने slip stitch की है वहां पर एक single crochet stitch कीजिए. So the same space where you did a slip stitch, we have to go there and make a single crochet stitch. Then go into the next chain here, make a single crochet stitch. Then again go into the next chain, make a single crochet stitch and so on till you reach the chain one space here. So we'll keep doing one single crochet stitch in each of these stitches till we complete the round. तो ये one single crochet stitch आप करते जाइए जब तक आप यहाँ पर वापस नहीं पहुँच जाते. So I have finished doing one single crochet stitch in each of these chains across. Now when you reach the end, you don't have to slip stitch in the chain one. You have to slip stitch in the first single crochet that you made here. तो जो पहला single crochet stitch हमने बनाया था हम उसमें जाके slip stitch करेंगे. जो chain one किया था हमने उसमें नहीं, single crochet stitch में. So in the single crochet stitch that you made, first single crochet stitch, just slip stitch there. Now chain 3, अब chain 3 कीजिए and make a double crochet stitch in the same space where you slip stitched. तो जहां पर हमने slip stitch किया था वहीं पर एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. फिर हम एक double crochet stitch next stitch में बनाएंगे. So do one double crochet stitch in the next stitch, one double crochet stitch in the next and so on till you complete this round. तो हमें हर एक stitch में एक double crochet stitch करना है. अब इस राउंड में हम हर एक स्टिच में डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे. So just keep doing one double crochet stitch in each of these stitches until you complete the whole round. So I have finished this round as well by doing one double crochet stitch in each stitch across. तो मैंने ये राउंड कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Now at the chain 3 at the beginning that we made, so on the chain 3 we have to do a slip stitch. So ये जो chain 3 हमने बनाया था उसकी थर्ड चेन पे हम जाके एक स्लिप स्टिच कर लेंगे. Now chain 3 again, 1 2 3. Now make a front post double crochet stitch. So we'll yarn over, we'll go under the stitch like this, we'll yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull to 2, yarn over, pull through 2. तो हम एक front post double crochet stitch करेंगे. फिर उसके बाद हम एक बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करेंगे. नाउ विल डू अ बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच. सो विल yarn ओवर, विल गो फ्रॉम बिहाइंड लाइक दिस, विल yarn ओवर, विल पुल अप अ लूप, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again we'll do a front post double crochet stitch. So you have to keep doing one front post double crochet stitch and one back post double crochet stitch, which will give us a very nice ribbed border effect. तो इसी तरीके से एक front post double crochet stitch कीजिए और एक back post double crochet stitch. तो इससे बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट आएगा. So we'll keep doing one front post and one back post double crochet stitch all the way around till we complete this round. So I'll complete this round by doing one front post double crochet stitch, one back post double crochet stitch, then again one front post, one back post. So I'll complete this round and meet you guys back here. So I have finished this round. Now as you can see, one double crochet stitch is here, and on top of that is the chain 3. So that will count as our back post double crochet stitch. So we'll just go into the chain 3 and we'll do a slip stitch. तो ये जो लास्ट हमारे यहाँ पे स्टिच बचा है, ये चेन 3 के नीचे ये बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच के जैसे रहेगा, और हम ये चेन 3 को यहाँ पे चेन जो थर्ड चेन है उस पे जाके स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे. सो विल स्लिप स्टिच हियर, देन अगेन विल डू अ चेन 3, 1 2 3, which will count as our back post double crochet stitch. And on every front post double crochet stitch we have to do a front post double crochet stitch, and on every back post double crochet stitch we have to do a back post double crochet stitch. So हर एक front post जो stitch है front post double crochet stitch, उस पे हम एक front post double crochet stitch करेंगे, और हर एक back post double crochet stitch पे हम एक back post double crochet stitch करेंगे, और इसी तरीके से इस round को भी हम complete करते जाएंगे. तो ये front post के ऊपर front post, बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशा के ऊपर बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशा स्टिच, इसी तरीके से. सो विल कीप रिपीटिंग दिस. ऑन द फ्रंट पोस्ट डबल क्रोशा स्टिच अगेन विल डू अ फ्रंट पोस्ट डबल क्रोशा स्टिच, एंड ऑन द बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशा स्टिच विल डू अ बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशा स्टिच. So we'll keep doing this. We'll complete this round, and then we have to repeat this round for 2 more times. So ये round भी मैंने complete कर लिया है. Finish this round, and again you can see there's a chain 3 and there's a double crochet stitch under that. Now on the chain 3, the third chain we'll go and we'll do a slip stitch. तो इस chain 3 के third chain पे हम जाके slip stitch करेंगे. So the way we did this round, we have to repeat this round 2 or 3 times more. It's according to you, how thick, how wide you want your border to be, the neck to be. So it's totally up to you how long you want it to be. So you can continue repeating this row those many times, but I'll just be doing this row 2 more times, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I have done that row for 2 more times, and now I'll slip stitch on the third chain from here, the beginning, the 3 chains that we make. We'll just go into the third chain and do a slip stitch. तो ये थर्ड चेन पे मैं जाके स्लिप स्टिच कर लूँगी. मैंने ये रो जो हमने करी थी वो 2 और बार की है, और इतनी लेंथ इतनी विड्थ मुझे काफ़ी लग रही है, तो मैं यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको चाहिए कि गला थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चौड़ा बने तो आप ये रो रिपीट कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांटेड टू बी वाइडर यू कैन रिपीट द रोज एज मेनी टाइम्स एज यू वांट. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टॉप हियर, एंड नाउ वील मेक द बॉडी. सो चेन 3 एट द बिगिनिंग, and in the same place where you did a slip stitch, we'll go there and we'll make a double crochet stitch. उसी same space में जहाँ पे आपने slip stitch की थी वहीं पर हम जाके एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. Now a double crochet stitch in the next stitch, normal double crochet stitch, no front post back post. Now this normal double crochet stitch in each stitch across. So we'll keep doing one double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. Normal double crochet stitch करते जाएंगे हम. यहाँ पे कोई फ्रंट पोस्ट बैक पोस्ट अब नहीं करना हमने, बिकॉज वो सिर्फ नेक के लिए हमें चाहिए था रिब्ड पैटर्न, तो इसीलिए हमने किया. अब हम नॉर्मल डबल क्रोशे स्टिच हर एक स्टिच में करते जाएंगे. सो विल कीप डूइंग वन डबल क्रोशे स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज स्टिचेस all around till we reach here. So I have completed this round as well by doing one single crochet stitch in each of these stitches. So ये मैंने राउंड कंप्लीट कर लिया है. नाउ विल गो इनटू द चेन 3 एट द टॉप एंड मेक अ स्लिप स्टिच. तो यहाँ पे हम चेन 3 पे स्लिप स्टिच कर देंगे. नाउ विल बिगिन विद द नेक्स्ट राउंड. विल चेन 3 एंड इन दिस राउंड वी हैव टू डू increases. So we did a chain 3 here. Now we'll go into the next stitch. We'll make a double crochet stitch. Next stitch पे double crochet stitch करेंगे एक. Then one double crochet stitch in the next. Now we have, this will count as our first double crochet stitch. So we have a total of 3 double crochet stitches now. Now in the next stitch we have to do an increase. तो ये next stitch में हम increase करेंगे. So we'll make 2 double crochet stitches here. तो यहाँ पे हम 2 double crochet stitch करेंगे उसी एक stitch में. Then again we'll do 3 double crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches. नेक्स्ट 3 स्टिचेस में हम एक एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करेंगे एंड देन वील डू अ डिक्रीज, आई मीन इंक्रीज, आई एम सो सॉरी, वील डू एन इंक्रीज. अब इस नेक्स्ट स्टिच में हम एक इंक्रीज करेंगे तो हम 2 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस करेंगे. सो वील डू 2 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस हियर and we have to keep repeating this. 3 double crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches and then an increase. तो हम 3 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस करेंगे एक एक स्टिच में और फिर हम एक इंक्रीज करेंगे. नाउ वी हैव टू डू एन इंक्रीज, सो विल डू 2 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस इन दिस स्टिच. So we'll keep repeating this. We'll do 3 double crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches, then we'll do an increase, then again 3 double crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches and then 1 increase. So we'll keep doing that until we reach here. So I've almost reached the end of this round and I'm left with 1 stitch here, and this is the beginning of the chain 3. So I'll be doing 2 double crochet stitches here as I've done 3 in each of these stitches. तो ये जो लास्ट स्टिच है मेरी, यहाँ पे मैं इंक्रीज करूंगी. सो आई विल बी डूइंग 2 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस हियर एंड नाउ आई विल स्लिप स्टिच एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द चेन 3 हियर एट द टॉप. तो इस पे चेन 3 के जो बिगिनिंग था वहां पे हम जाके स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे. नाउ चेन 3. And in this round we don't have to do any increase, so we'll just keep doing one double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. So just keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. हम हर एक स्टिच में एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे जब तक हमारा ये राउंड कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता. इस राउंड में हमारे को कोई इंक्रीज नहीं करनी, तो हम हर एक स्टिच में एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे. सो विल जस्ट कीप डूइंग 1 डबल क्रोशे स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज स्टिचेस until we complete our round. So I've completed this round as well and I'll be doing a slip stitch on the chain 3. तो chain 3 पे हम एक slip stitch करेंगे. And now in this row again, in this round again we have to do an increase. So we'll chain 3 at the beginning, which will count as our first double crochet stitch. So ये chain 3 जो हम beginning में करेंगे हमारा पहला double crochet stitch हो गया. Now we have to do 3 more double crochet stitch. तो 3 और double crochet stitch करेंगे हम. 1 2 in the next and 3 in the next. तो ये हमारे पास a total of 4 double crochet stitch हो गए. This we have 4 double crochet stitches now. Now in the next stitch we have to do an increase. So we'll do 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same space. Again we'll do 4 double crochet stitches in the next 4 stitches. हम 4 double crochet stitches करेंगे एक एक stitch में 2 3 and 4. And again in the next stitch we'll do an increase. तो इसमें हम 2 double crochet stitches करेंगे क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे एक increase करेंगे. Then again we'll do 4 double crochet stitches in the next 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. And now in the next again we'll do an increase. तो इसमें हम 2 double crochet stitches करेंगे. We'll do 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch and we have to repeat this. We have to do 4 double crochet stitches in the next 4 stitches. Then we have to do an increase. तो इसी तरीके से हम इसको पूरा कंप्लीट करेंगे. 4 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस करेंगे हर एक स्टिच में और फिर जो 5th वाली आएगी उसमें हम 2 स्टिचेस करेंगे एक ही स्टिच में. सो विल कंप्लीट दिस टिल वी रीच हियर. सो आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट दिस राउंड. नाउ आई हैव लेफ्ट विद 2 स्टिचेस. अब मेरी 2 स्टिचेस बची हैं और मैंने यहाँ पे 4 डबल क्रोशे स्टिच कर ली है. आई हैव फिनिश डूइंग 4 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस इन ईच ऑफ दीज स्टिचेस. नाउ इन दिस स्टिच आई विल डू एन इंक्रीज. सो मैं यहाँ पे 2 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस करूंगी. सो आई विल बी डूइंग 2 डबल क्रोशे स्टिच इन दिस stitch. Now in the last stitch I'll be doing 1 double crochet stitch and I'll do a slip stitch on the third chain here. Now in the next round we have to keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. So we'll do a chain 3 over here, chain 3 करेंगे beginning में, and we'll keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. हम हर एक stitch में एक डबल क्रोशा स्टिच करेंगे. अब इस राउंड में हमने कोई इंक्रीज नहीं करना, तो हम हर एक स्टिच में एक डबल क्रोशा स्टिच करते जाएंगे. सो विल कीप डूइंग 1 डबल क्रोशा स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज स्टिचेस अंटिल वी रीच द एंड ऑफ द राउंड. So after completing this round, again we'll go into the top of the chain 3 and we'll do a slip stitch. So top पे जाके chain 3 पे हम एक slip stitch कर देंगे. Now for the next round के लिए again we have to chain 3. तो हम chain 3 करेंगे 1 2 3 and we have to again keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches again till we complete the round. So एक एक double crochet stitch हर एक stitch में हम करते जाएंगे. हर एक stitch में एक double crochet stitch करेंगे हम. So we have to just keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches until we complete our round. So I'll just keep doing this 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches until I reach here. So now by the end of the round, now again we have to go into the third chain at the top of the beginning here and we'll do a slip stitch. So chain 3 जो हमने बनाई थी उसकी third chain पे जाके हम slip stitch करेंगे. Now from this portion onwards we have to make space for the arms, for the armholes. We have to make the space. So what we have to do is, अब यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, जो उनकी कैट्स या डॉग्स की आर्म्स होती हैं उनके लिए हम स्पेस बनाएंगे जो फ्रंट वाली होती है. सो वील चेन 3 एट द बिगिनिंग विच विल काउंट एज आवर फर्स्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच. ये हमारा फर्स्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच हो गया. नाउ विल यार्न ओवर, गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट स्टिच, मेक अ डबल क्रोशे स्टिच, देन अगेन विल गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट स्टिच पे जाएंगे, फिर से एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे, देन अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट विल अगेन मेक अ डबल क्रोशे स्टिच. So now we have a total of 4 double crochet stitches here. Now we have to chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now we'll skip 6 chains here, 6 stitches here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and go into the 7th one and make a double crochet stitch. तो हमने क्या किया है, हमने पहले चेन 3 की, फिर 3 और डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस किया, तो वो चेन 3 के साथ हमारे टोटल ऑफ 4 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस हो गए. फिर हमने 6 चेन्स की, 6 स्टिचेस को स्किप किया और 7th वाले स्टिच में हमने एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच कर दिया. नाउ वी हैव टू कीप डूइंग 1 डबल क्रोशे स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज स्टिचेस अंटिल वी आर लेफ्ट विथ लास्ट 10 स्टिचेस हियर. तो जब यहाँ पे 10 स्टिचेस बचेंगी तब तक हमने एक एक स्टिच में डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाना है. सो विल कीप डूइंग 1 डबल क्रोशे स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज स्टिचेस until we are left with 10 stitches. So the 10 stitches will be the chain 6 we'll make here again for the space, and then these 4 stitches we have to do here again. So it will be a repeat. I'll just show you how to do that. So we'll keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches until we are left with 10 stitches. तो जब तक हमारे पास 10 stitches नहीं बचती लास्ट में, तब तक हम डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे इस राउंड के लिए. सो याद रखिएगा यहाँ पे 10 स्टिचेस बची होनी चाहिए राउंड कंप्लीट होने के लिए, तब तक हम एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच हर एक स्टिच में करते जाएंगे. तो इधर मेरे पास 10 स्टिचेस बची हैं. एज यू कैन सी 10 स्टिचेस आर लेफ्ट. सो नाउ आई चेन 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 चेन्स बनाइए and skip 6 stitches here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 स्टिचेस को स्किप कीजिए और जो लास्ट की 4 स्टिचेस बची है इसमें हम एक एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करेंगे. सो विल गो इनटू दीज 4 1 by 1 and we'll make 1 double crochet stitch in each of these 4 stitches. Two, 3 and 4. And now we'll slip stitch on the top of the third chain here. इधर slip stitch कर देंगे. This completes this round as well. Now I have chained 6 here according to the measurement of my friend's cat. Now if your cat is a bit older or a bigger, then you have to chain more here so that the arms are easily put in. So you can just measure your cat, and according to that you can increase the number of spaces here. So if you are chaining 8, you have to skip 8 stitches here. If you are chaining 10, you have to skip 10 stitches accordingly, and you have to make sure that the gap between both the arms should be 8 stitches here. Now we'll do the next round. In the next round, chain 3 first. Chain 3 करेंगे हम पहले, and now we'll do 1 double crochet stitch in each of these 4 stitches first. 1, this is 1, 2, 3 and the 4th one. Now 1 double crochet stitch in each of these 6 stitches, that 6 chains that we have made here. So we'll go in each of these chains and we'll make 1 double crochet stitch. तो इस 6 chains में भी हमने एक एक double crochet stitch करना है. ध्यान से चेन के हर एक चेन में जाके एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last is left. The last one kinds of becomes tough, becomes hard actually. Okay. Now again we have to keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. तो हम एक एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच हर एक स्टिच में करते जाएंगे. And then when you complete this and you reach here again, you have to do 1 double crochet stitch in each of these 6 chains, and then again 4 double crochet stitches, and then we have to slip stitch here. So I'll complete this round and then I'll tell you what to do for the next round. So I've completed this round as well. Now I'll do a slip stitch on the chain 3. मैंने slip stitch कर लिया यहाँ पे. As you can see, now these are the armholes. We'll work on them when the body is finished. Now again for the next round, you have to chain 3. Chain 3 कीजिए पहले beginning में, and हर एक stitch में एक double crochet stitch करते जाइए. So we'll keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches until we complete the round. So we'll keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of the following stitches here. No increase. Just keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. बस एक double crochet stitch हर एक stitch में करते जाइए जब तक आप round के end तक नहीं पहुंचते. So now again I'll slip stitch on the chain 3. Chain 3 पे मैं slip stitch करूँगी. Round मैंने complete कर लिया है. And now you have to repeat this round that you did. 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. First you have to chain 3, then you have to keep doing 1 double crochet stitch in each of these stitches, and then again when you reach here you have to slip stitch on the chain 3. You have to repeat this round until you get your desired length. So you can just measure your cat or dog and then according to that, the length that you want the dress to be, according to that you have to repeat this row till you get your desired length. So I'll complete this row a couple of times and then I'll tell you what to do next. So I finished doing couple of rows. मैंने थोड़ी बहुत rows कर लिए हैं. एक double crochet stitch हर एक stitch में. So I've just done chain 3 at the beginning and 1 double crochet stitch in each of the stitches, and then again coming back and joining at the chain 3. So now this measures, this is measuring, as you can see this measures around 24, 25. If we stretch it a bit, 25 centimeters or approximately 10 inches. So if you want to you want it to be much longer, you can increase the number of rows of double crochet stitches. Otherwise you can just leave it as it is if you want it small. because I'm making it for around 2.5 months old cat, so I wanted this much. So now we'll begin with the next round. Now in this round we need to make a decrease. So इसमें हम decrease करेंगे इस row में. So सबसे पहले हम chain 3 करेंगे. So chain 3 at the beginning, 1 2 3, 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet stitch in the next. Now the chain 3 will count as our first double crochet stitch. ये first double crochet stitch की तरह रहेगा. So हमारे पास 4 double crochet stitches हैं यहाँ पे. Now in the next we'll do a decrease. So for the decrease we have to make 2 double crochet stitches together. हम यहाँ पे decrease करेंगे. Yarn over, stitch में जाएंगे, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then again yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all the 3. तो ये हमने decrease कर दिया. हमने 2 stitches का एक stitch कर दिया. Then again 4 double crochet stitches in the next 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4, and now we'll do a decrease. So after every 4 stitches I'm going to do a decrease. So I'll repeat this round by doing 4 double crochet stitches in the 4 following stitches and then a decrease. Now when you complete this round, again slip stitch to the third chain. जो हमने chain 3 बनाई थी beginning में, उसकी third chain से जाके हम slip stitch कर देंगे. So this is almost ready. Now I'm gonna add a border. Now it's totally up to you if you want to add a border or just leave it like that. It's totally up to you. But I'm gonna add a border. तो मैं border बनाऊंगी अभी. So we will chain 1 and we'll skip these 2 stitches. We'll go into the third stitch here and we'll make 5 double crochet stitches. तो ये वाली जो 2 chains है इसको skip कर दीजिए और जो third वाली chain है उसमें जाके आप 5 double crochet stitches बनाना है उसी एक stitch में. So we'll make a shell border. So you'll know how to do a shell border. It's really easy and it looks really pretty. 3 4 5. So I've done 5 double crochet stitches in this one stitch. Now we'll skip 2 stitches. We'll go into the third and make a double crochet stitch, single crochet stitch. I'm so sorry. Skip these 2 stitches and go into the third one and make a single crochet stitch. तो यहाँ पे हम एक single crochet stitch बनाएंगे third stitch में. Then again skip these 2 stitches, go into the third stitch and make 5 double crochet stitches. 2 stitches को skip कीजिए, third stitch में जाके 5 double crochet stitches बनाइए. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now skip 2 stitches, go into the third stitch and make a single crochet stitch. 2 stitches को skip कीजिए, तीसरे stitch में जाके single crochet stitch बनाइए. So इस तरीके से ये shells बनेंगे. So we'll make the shell border all over. What we have to do is we have to just skip 2 stitches, go into the third stitch and make 5 double crochet stitches. 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have to skip 2 stitches, go into the third stitch and make a single crochet stitch. So we'll keep repeating this until we complete our round. When you complete the round, just go into the stitch here from where the shell started and make a slip stitch. तो जहाँ से वो शेल शुरू हो रहा है, जहाँ से वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, वहाँ पे जाके हम स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे. Now we'll make the second round of the border. If you want If you want to just leave it like this with the shells, you can just leave it like this, but I'm going to give another border to this, the second row. So we'll chain one, एक chain one कीजिए आप, और उसके बाद we have to go between these two spaces, between spaces of these double crochet stitches. So they are having spaces in between, we have to work there. तो ये जो spaces है हम इसमें जाएंगे और एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. So we'll go into the space and we'll make a double crochet stitch. Then we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in between the chain 1 and the double crochet stitch we have to do a slip stitch. Then again we'll chain 1, we'll go between the next two stitches and we'll make a double crochet stitch. Then we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we'll slip stitch in this space here. Then again we'll chain 1, we'll go into the middle of the next two stitches, we'll make a double crochet stitch, chain 3, slip stitch in this space here. Then again chain 1, go into the middle of the next two stitches, make a double crochet stitch, chain 3, slip stitch in the space. Then again chain 1, go into the middle of the next two stitches, make a double crochet stitch, chain 3, slip stitch in the space, chain 1. Now we'll go into the next shell. So before the shell is starting, see here, this is the chain 2 that we skipped while making a shell. ये जो chain 2 हमने skip किए थे, and this is the first double crochet stitch that we started for the shell. So in between there's a space, so we have to go in there, make a double crochet stitch. यहाँ पे एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे, फिर chain 3 करेंगे, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in this space. Then again chain 1, go into the middle of the next two stitches, make a double crochet stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the space. So we'll keep doing this until we complete our round. So I've completed this round, and at the end now I'll chain 1 and I'll slip stitch here in the stitch where we started our shell. Chain 1 and fasten off. So this is the effect the border has had. I'm not sure if it's showing in the camera, but it's really looking very pretty. Now we can just take a tapestry needle and weave in this yarn end inside so that it doesn't show. And now we'll make the arms. You can leave the arms as it is if you want, but if you make it a little bit more with more stitches, it secures better and doesn't come off. So first we need to attach the yarn here. तो पहले मैं yarn attach कर लूँगी. Now we have to chain 3. तो पहले chain 3 करेंगे at the beginning, and in the same stitch where you attach the yarn, जहाँ पे हमने yarn attach किया उसी same stitch में एक double crochet stitch करेंगे. So we'll make one double crochet stitch in the same stitch where we attached our yarn. One double crochet stitch in the next stitch. One double crochet stitch in the next. So मैं ऐसे ही हर एक स्टिच में एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे. So we'll just go into each of these stitches here and we'll keep doing one double crochet stitch. It's kind of difficult to find the stitches here, but okay, now when we reach the corner, one stitch we'll make here in the corner, then we'll turn around and you can see there's a double crochet stitch here, so we'll go into the bottom part of the double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch, and then we'll go into the front part of the double crochet stitch and we'll make a double crochet stitch here. Then we'll keep making in each of these stitches. One double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. Now again you can see there's a double crochet stitch here. Now we'll work into the bottom of the double crochet stitch. We'll make a double crochet stitch here. Then we'll work in the front of the double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch. Then we'll work here. And when you complete the round, just slip stitch on the third chain that you made in the beginning. We made the chain 3, so on the third chain we'll just go and slip stitch. So one round is complete. We'll begin with the second round. पहले round हमने complete कर लिया, अब हम second round में करेंगे chain 3. So chain 3 at the beginning, and now we'll make a front post and back post double crochet stitch to give the ribbed effect like we did here. So now after the chain 3, make a front post double crochet stitch, then make a back post double crochet stitch. तो पहले हम फ्रंट पोस्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे, फिर हम एक बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे, तो उससे रिब्ड इफेक्ट आएगा बहुत सुंदर. फॉर द फ्रंट पोस्ट we have to just push the stitch in front, put the needle like this, and then yarn over, pull up a loop and do your double crochet stitch. And for the back post you have to yarn over, and from the behind you have to go like this and then yarn over, pull up a loop. So we'll keep doing one front post, one back post double crochet stitch for this round. So when you finish the round, just you have to slip stitch on the beginning third chain that you made. So chain 3 पे हम still slip stitch कर देंगे, and I'm just going to repeat this round one more time. Front post double crochet and back post double crochet, then again front post back post for one round, and this will be done. So at the beginning we have to chain 3. Now we'll make a front post double crochet stitch, now a back post double crochet stitch, then again a front post and a back post. So we'll keep on doing this until we complete this round. So after completing this round, I'll again slip stitch on the third chain that we made at the beginning. We'll chain 1 and fasten off. So the way we made this arm, similarly we have to make the other arm as well. तो जैसे हमने ये बनाया वैसे ही हम दूसरी आर्म भी बनाएंगे, and our beautiful sweater will be ready. So I have finished the second arm as well. I'll just weave all these tails in and it's done. I hope you liked it. So I'll just weave all these ends and then show you. So it's completed now. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon, as you'll be notified whenever I upload my new video. So keep crocheting, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.